Today's Dr. Seuss's birthday, and we are going to be celebrating with the book Fox in Socks. Now, this book really doesn't have a lot to do with a fox in socks. It's primarily tongue twisters that'll keep you on your toes while you're reading to your kids. But we like to tie things in, so we're going to tie it in with the title, Fox in Socks. And today's activity will help you get your laundry done and give your kids some great skills to learn, as well as some motor activities to get them moving. What we do is we just take a variety of socks and a laundry basket, and that's all you're going to need. For toddlers, they can just sift through the socks. They kind of like that. Even their infants would probably sit in the laundry basket with a load of socks, and they toss them in, toss them out, and that's a great activity for them. It's really good for sensory experience. Your older kids, your preschoolers, they can go ahead and sort the socks. We try and keep it fairly simple, every maybe 3 to 5 different pairs of socks that we could put together. So, for instance, we might take a dark pair of socks, a white pair of socks, and a Christmas pair of socks. And so we would put those together in a basket and have the kids sort them out. Now, some kids in preschool can do a lot more than just sorting a few socks. They might want to do something a little bit more difficult. So we've included maybe 2 pairs of the same colored socks, but one pair of the socks actually has a stripe on it and the other pair does not. So that would be a good way for them to learn same and different. We would have maybe 2 pairs of white socks. One size is larger and one size is smaller. You can talk about the different sizes of socks. This sock has a stripe on it. This sock has gray heels and gray toes on it. Differences and similarities, and you can talk about sizes. Here is a pair of women's trouser socks, and the texture is very different than a pair of men's socks. So you can talk about the sensory experience also of it. Put all those together in a basket and let the kids go for it and separate all their different types of socks. Then you can also do a gross motor activity, which gives them some energy release. It allows them to do some throwing inside the house without hurting too many things. And it also teaches them hand-eye coordination as well as spatial relationships. So what we do is we just roll up a pair of socks, and I usually put them between my pointer finger and my middle finger and hold them with my thumb and wrap them around. Take my thumb out and my fingers out. Take this top open end and wrap it right over the socks, and it makes a great ball. Go ahead and put the laundry basket close to them, see if they can toss it in. Move it a little farther back and let them throw it a little bit harder. There are all different ways that you can use activities with socks and the book Fox in Socks. But if you're looking for more activities about Dr. Seuss and Fox in Socks, you can see some listed below this video, or you could visit our Pinterest board. On our Snacks and Storyboard, we have a lot of fantastic Dr. Seuss activities for you and your kids to do.